Let's learn how you can create a video out of photos on iPhone. So for this tutorial, you can choose to do this in CapCut or iMovie application. I will show you this tutorial on iMovie. So first step is to go to App Store and download iMovie application. When you have downloaded it, you want to open it, and this is how it should look like at first. So you want to swipe up this Start New Project, and here you will see three options: Magic Movie, Storyboard, and Movie. I recommend you using Magic Movie option because application is creating a movie for you. For this movie, as you can see, you need to create it from a scratch, so just click on Magic Movie and application will do everything. Now you want to choose your photos that you want to be in your movie. I will select some random just to show you how to create a video. So after you selected everything you wanted, you want to click on this Create Magic Movie button. And now it's creating a movie. So this is it. As you can see here, a movie or video clip has been created just from the pictures you have selected. Of course, you can edit it if you want. You can add more pictures if you want. Now, if you're finished, you just want to click on done. And that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next